Welcome to Ooty Bus Stand. Ooty Bus Stand connects passengers to several important destinations, including Coimbatore, Mysuru, Bengaluru, Gudalur, Coonoor, Kotagiri. Tiruppur, Mettupalayam, Salem, Erode, Madurai, Trichy, Masinagudi, Sathy and Gobi. The bus stand has two main entry and exit gates. Facilities located near Gate 1 are medical shop, drinking water facility, police station, ladies waiting room, mother feeding room, transport corporation office. Facilities located near Gate 2 are Enquiry counter, reservation office, ticket counter, tea stall, food area, toilets. Passenger waiting and seating areas are available throughout the premises. There are route names in Braille mentioned at the waiting area opposite the respective boarding bay. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities to assist people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives an overview of the bus stand premises and facilities is installed near Gate 2. This sign language video about the bus stand can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing Braille maps, tactile flooring and other facilities for people with disabilities, including this video, is driven by Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation, TNSTC, Coimbatore region, in association with Coromandel International Limited and executed by Anuprayaas.